For the chin I'm going to be mixing my powdered milk with a room temperature water and a vanilla essence. Then mix and keep it aside. So the next thing is to sieve my flour. After sieving, I will add I'll add sugar, salt, baking powder, and then mix. You can add nutmeg, but for this one I'm not going to. Then after mixing all the ingredients, you can add your margarine, mix a little, egg, and then add your eggs. Then mix until it forms a dough. Then you can now welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, support a sister here. I love you guys so much. Please help me grow. So don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what to prepare next time. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you guys. So guys, do not over knead this, okay? Once you're done, cover it, allow it to rest for some minutes before cutting it. So we're going to flatten it and cut them into smaller pieces. So to fry the chin you can use vegetable oil of your choice. Don't worry if it sticks together, it's going to separate. So fry it until it is golden brown. Guys, if you've watched it up till now, to this point, please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much. You can take this with any soft drinks of your choice. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys for your time.